really good example just to prove a point. So VPN, it's illegal in China. You shouldn't download or use VPN because through that you're getting access to banned services like Facebook, Instagram, Google, and all other foreign social media that are restricted in China. So VPN is illegal, but as a foreigner, of course, you always have a VPN there because you have your social media. How you're gonna survive without them, right? Like how you can live your life without checking your Instagram feed. So of course, all foreigners are using VPN. And the interesting moment was always when the main Beijing government is coming to your location. For a whole week, it's very hard. It's like in most cases, impossible to use your VPN for just a week. All VPNs are down, so you cannot use it for a whole week. You are living completely cut out from the rest of the world, and just waiting for Beijing government to go back to Beijing. And I know from people who were living for a long time in Beijing, it can happen there for a month, and it's even stricter. Whereas in other locations, there might be at least one VPN that is working at least a teeny tiny bit. And that's proving a point that they just don't want to shut it down. They're allowing you to use because they're attracting lots of foreigners to work in China, and they understand that those foreigners need to use Google, they need to get access to foreign media, they need to get this information because they also helping to increase and improve innovations in China. So there is no purpose for them, but they want to restrict it for just a general person in China who wouldn't like to download the VPN because it's banned, it's more complicated, and they don't have access to other social media and cannot get this information. So that makes total sense, and it actually shows that if they want to ban something, they can. And that was an example when when Beijing guys are coming to your place and you just can't use anything.